So how does the Lectric XP cruise control work? It's very simple. You use the throttle to set a speed or a constant throttle position that you want to maintain. Let's say I'm going about 7 miles an hour. Then you hold the minus sign on the control, and now it says cruise. So I can let go of the throttle. I'm not pedaling, and I'm maintaining a pretty steady speed. So this is useful you know, when you're not wanting to pedal and you're going to be on throttle for a while, but you don't want your throttle hand to get tired, so you can actually just focus on the sights a little bit more. So if you're out riding on a nice bike trail or bike path and you're totally doing it for recreation, for pleasure, for sightseeing, this is a great way to do it. If you want to go a little bit faster, then you would increase the throttle. Let me get to a straight section here so I don't run into this fence. So let's say I want to maintain about 10 miles an hour now. So I get the throttle to where I'm seeing about 10, 11 miles an hour. Hold the minus sign again for a few seconds. And you see it says cruise. Now I'm maintaining this higher speed. Now it also works off-road. The speed drops a little bit because of the greater resistance, but and then as soon as you tap the brakes, cruise control turns off. Now cruise control is another great solution for the broken walk mode that this bike has. So one thing you can do is apply a tiny bit of throttle to start, you know, walking the bike. We're going at about 1.5 miles an hour. See, so you can maintain cruise at under 2 miles an hour. So this is much easier to control than the walk mode, which is at 2.5 miles an hour. I'm walking at a leisurely pace. Yeah, so close to 2 miles an hour is about the slowest speed you can maintain, but 1.9 is a much more natural walking speed than 2.5. Let's go off-road here a little bit. So yeah, much easier to maintain this. And then again, you tap the brake and cruise control's off. So same as deactivating walk mode. So I would say cruise control is a good fix for the broken walk mode on this bike.